driving the fucking Sling. Oh shit. The seat, this is as far as the seat can go?
Nah, you can push it back.
I could?
Yeah. Oh, that's as far.
Oh, that's as far as it goes. No clutch?
No clutch.
Oh shit. It's the
gas pedal's hard.
It's hard?
Yeah, so.
Oh, okay. This shit cruise. How much you be writing these shits for?
$250 a day.
What? This should get up.
Yeah, get nice and get like
this should get up. Facts. Nah, I just want one. One nice low pull. I just want one nice low pull.
Yeah.
I'm about to hit a U-turn on Griffin and do at least just one. The brakes type ass. Unless you gotta mush them.
You gotta mush them.
These shits are stiff, that's what it is.
They're meant for like, make sure you press the fucking thing.
I thought these shits was gonna be sensitive, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, okay, never mind, it is pretty good.
It's
you gotta push them.
To stop doing shit.
Yeah. That pedal is hard as fuck.
Right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. That shit
this should make you. This should make you gotta like fucking.
One of them.
I think it's because I gotta put my higher. That's what it is. Yeah, I'm about to full send this fucking shit. My eyes are starting to water up.
Yeah.
Nah, this shit move. I ain't gonna lie, niggas gonna have to. How much of these he got though?
A lot.
A lot of them?
Like 6, 7.
All the same color?
No, different color, different ones.
Nah, niggas gotta.
He got one with the top.
Niggas got. Oh, he got the one with the top and shit.
That's the one I was driving the other day. That's the one with the throttle.
This one don't got no top, so if it start raining, it start raining.
Yeah, I drove this shit in the rain.
Oh, okay. Once you fly past niggas, why they want to be on ass? Nah, this nigga Drew gotta go for a ride in this shit.
I took him in it.
Oh, you took him in there already?
I pull up by his shop and let him drive his truck.
Oh, he got to drive on the road. All the way off the perky. You be spinning this shit, right?
Huh?
I said you be spinning this shit?
Yeah, when it's wet though, so I don't mess the tires.
Yeah, the tires and shit. Nah, Nah, this big cruise nice type shit. It's just cold as fuck to be riding this motherfucker.
Nah, it's good weather. That nigga probably smoke without me.
Huh?
That nigga probably smoke without me.
Who?
Oh boy, Mikey.
My dad probably over there talking his shit.
Nah, he is.
Crush that fucking mama.
Yeah,
I forgot this one got the middle wheel in that shit. Yeah.
Oh, it's a nice little roundabout.
This is where I took those pictures of Justin.
Oh.
On this road right here, looking that way.
Oh, it's hard.
Feel me? But it got to be like that certain daylight, that sunny going down, just aiming that way and shit. And then that's where we were shooting the paintballs.
Oh, I'm about to spin it with a clock.
This should be burning gas though,
Yeah.
like a lot.
Oh, yeah. But it doesn't take much to fill it.
So you can get back to your crib with it on that.
Yeah.
Wait, where his person stay by him? Like
Yeah,
that rent
yeah.
these? Oh, okay.
Stay by Shivani's side though.
I don't even know where the fuck she
By
stay.
Bonnie Creek Road and shit.
Oh. That boy Drew.
Yo, Drew live right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
So y'all pulled up on Heno and that nigga was knocked?
Yeah, his boy was there. The nigga with the charger that his fucking car died.
Oh.
I was
Yeah.
like, yo. He was like, yo. I was like, where this nigga Heno at? He said, oh, he's sleeping and shit. I'm like, damn.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I've never seen that car before. Yo, can you take a video of me? real
Yeah,
quick?
I
I want it for the gram.
That boy, I got my boy in the sling today. Sunday.
What you got, backup cam?